Hi, I'm Felix. I'm with Alice Cabinetry. Good to see you again. In the last video, I showed you how to adjust our soft close. Today, I will show you how to adjust our 6-way adjustment hinge. The 6 ways are up and down, forward, backwards, and side to side. All right, let's begin. If you door, right, it's crooked, slightly tilted, right, you adjust from this. Counterclockwise to the left, clockwise to the right, and that's it. Another one is adjust the door up or down, okay? Versus if your door is not flush on the bottom or on top, you want to make it flush, you want to use the top screw right here. Turn counterclockwise, it's going up. Clockwise, going down. Okay, the last one will be the gap between the frame and the door. The gap here is adjustable. Same thing, there's a screw right here. Counterclockwise, going backwards. Clockwise, forward. All right, that concludes today's video. Hopefully this will help you. If you have any questions, please call us at 510-240-8888 or visit our website, link down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.